Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're cooking with Karen. Not really, but what we are going to do is make a protein shake. I've been drinking these protein shakes lately and found this one by Nature's Bounty that's really good. Those of you on a hair journey would know about the Nature's Bounty hair, skin, and nails gummies, which are delicious, but have a lot of biotin. Well, this is the protein drink. And this is good too because it has 15 grams of protein. Let's see, it's 120 calories per 2 scoops. Has folic acid, has iron, has biotin, which is good. What I like about this is that it has vitamin D, which for women and for especially for African American women, we're so many of us are vitamin D deficient, and I know I was. But this has 800 IUs, which is 200% of what you need for the day. But anyway, long story short, it tastes good and it's good for you. So 2 scoops, which the directions say mix it with either water or skim milk. If you want it to be creamier, you mix it with some skim milk. But this is how I do mine. So if you want to see a nice, creamy, delicious protein shake, if you want to boost your current protein shake that you have or that you use, then let's get started. All right, so what I'm going to do first is get a little ice. And we don't need that much. Just a few cubes. Let's get this one off the floor. All right. I'm going to use a few cubes of that. I'm going to put in some non-fat vanilla yogurt. And this non-fat vanilla yogurt has 120 calories per serving, and the serving size is about 3/4 cup. So I have a 3/4 cup size here, and I don't always use the entire amount, and I just kind of eyeball it, but I'm going to use more like a, I'm not going to quite fill this up. Love it. So that's non-fat vanilla yogurt. Sometimes I use plain yogurt too, but I like the vanilla yogurt better. I like strawberries, fresh strawberries. These are frozen. This is a frozen strawberry banana combination. I like fresh strawberries if I can get them, but I had that because I saw this at the grocery store and it was a good buy. So strawberry bananas, and some goods, but I poured out here mostly strawberries. So I'm going to just dump some of these in. Let's get this out of the way. I'm going to add my protein powder, which is 2 scoops, and the scooper comes with this. So I'm going to add 1 scoop, 2 scoops, I'm going to add 1 banana. Usually I'll add like a ripe banana, but we just picked these up yesterday, so they're not as ripe as I usually like them, but it's in good shape. So I'm going to add the whole banana. And I guess you can add yours half taste or whatever, but to me, the more bananas, the better. I'm going to add some milk. Usually 1% or 2% milk is what we have around the house, depending on who goes to the store. So we're going to use 2% low-fat milk, reduced fat. And I'm just going to add a little milk. And here it says, if you're making this and you want to make it smoothie, you can add 8 ounces of milk or water. So I'm just add a little milk and just a tad water. Put the top on. And this is so good, guys. Oh my God, this is so good. I love drinking these. I drink them as a meal substitute. So if I have breakfast, sometime later in the day, I may have this as like 2 o'clock or so. I'll drink this, and then I may be hungry for dinner, but I always try to eat at least 3 meals. So I'm going to pulse this for a couple seconds, so hold your ears. Glass. Look how creamy this is. And straw. This is so good. This is so good. Look at that. Can you see how creamy that is? Can you see the strawberry mixed in? See how thick that is? So guys, 2 scoops of this, little milk, reduced fat milk, skim milk, just a tad, non-fat vanilla yogurt, strawberries, little water, and of course, a banana. This is so good. So let me know how this turns out for you, or better yet, comment below and send me your recipe for your favorite protein drink. This shake is so good. And I think by adding the yogurt and fruit, it boosts the protein shake. I think it takes it to the next level. So let me know what you think. Let me know how yours turns out. Give me some feedback, and I'll see you all in my next production.